Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to everyone in the tour of the most beautiful capital in the world, the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. Islamabad is one of the most beautiful, greenish city you will find in the country. This city is surrounded on one side by the lush green Margala Hills, which gives a perfect blend of sightseeing and an urban lifestyle. Being the capital, it is the most developed city in the country. Now we're gonna discuss some historical and visiting places here in this capital. Number 1. Faisal Mosque. The beautiful Faisal Mosque is the fifth largest mosque in the world and the largest within South Asia, located on the foothills of Margala Hills. In 1966, King Faisal bin Abdulaziz of Saudi Arabia suggested and largely funded the Faisal Mosque, which is named in his honor. Ever since its conception, the mosque has been regarded as the national mosque of Pakistan. Number 2. Pakistan Monument. Pakistan Monument is the national monument and heritage museum located on the western Shakarpaniya Hills. The Pakistan Monument is representing the nation's 4 provinces and 3 territories. The monument represents the history, civilization and culture of Pakistan, mainly focuses on historical events of Pakistan movement. The monument was constructed as a tribute to the people who sacrificed their lives for the independence of Pakistan. Number 3. Daman-e-Koh. Daman-e-Koh is a viewing point and hilltop garden. It is located in the middle of the Margala Hills. Its name is the conjunction of the 2 Persian words, means foothills. It is about 2400 feet from sea level and almost 500 feet from the city of Islamabad. It is a popular destination for the residents as well as the visitors to the capital. Number 4. Margala Hills. Margala Hills is a hill range which is a part of the Himalaya foothills located within the Margala Hills National Park north of Islamabad. The Margala range has an area of 12,605 hectares. These hills are the part of Murray Hills. It is a range with many valleys as well as high mountains. Number 5. Shakarpaniya. Shakarpaniya, also known as Shakarpaniya Hills, is a hill and an amusement park located near the Zero Point. Pakistan Monument and Pakistan Monument Museum are also located in Shakarpaniya. Shakarpaniya also has a parade ground which hosts the Pakistan National Day Parade every year on 23rd March. Number 6. Lok Varsa Museum. Lok Varsa Museum, are also called Heritage Museum, is a museum administered and managed by Lok Varsa National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage. It is a museum of history and culture located on Shakarpaniya Hills, showcasing the living cultures of Pakistan. The museum consists of several buildings as well as an outdoor museum which can accommodate up to 3,000 visitors. This museum was inaugurated in 1974 and became an autonomous institute in 2002 following the Lok Varsa Legal Status Ordinance 2002. Number 7. Lakeview Park. Lakeview Park is a wildlife amusement and adventure park which is located near the village Malpur on Murray Road in Islamabad. The area around the lake has been planted with flowering trees and laid out with gardens, picnic spots and secluded paths. Rawal Lake is an artificial reservoir that provides the water needs for the cities of Rawalpindi and Islamabad. At the end of this video, a special thanks to Hafizur Rahman, Umair Khan and Akib Jadoon who supported us in whole tour and supported us through thick and thin. This promo is managed and prepared by your own Siraj Ahmed, the voice of the English commentary.